Hello everyone, class 8 GK, chapter 48, Animals in Danger. So in this chapter we study about the extinct species of animals, means ऐसे animals जो extinct होने वाले हैं या endangered species हैं. So here are the some animals and may become extinct if they are not protected. The following animals are under the threat of extinction. Some animals also are there. Can you name these animals? First number, and animals who wear armor of thick bumpy skin and feed on leaves, grass, branchy and shrubs are one-horned rhino. Second number, the strongest and rarest crocodile species found in Asia that has a long and narrow snout, gharial. Third number, a largest cat family animals who is found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar is the Bengal tiger. Fourth number, the world tallest flying bird that resides and the breeds in animal, Saurus crane. Fifth number, the largest land animal that inhabit the savanna and semi-desert region of Africa, African elephant. Sixth number, largest African ape who is shy, gentle and quiet is gorilla. Seventh number, the largest marine animal who has the grayish blue skin with light spots, blue whale. Eighth number, an ostrich-like bird who was found easily across the Indian subcontinent is the rarity Indian bustard. Ninth number, a sea mammal who has external ear flaps, long for flippers and can walk on land, sea lion. Tenth number, an Indian antelope who has long rounded horn is the blackbird. So dear student, these animals are the come in the categories of the extinct animal. एक्सटिंक्ट मतलब जो विलुप्ति की कगार पे होते हैं, यानी कि जो ख़त्म होने वाले हैं या जिनकी पॉपुलेशन अर्थ पे बहुत ही कम हो गई है. Now our next chapter is chapter number 49 is the true and false. The fossils are remains of prehistoric plants and animals. True. The stars shine only at night. False. The stars appears to twinkle due to the thick layer of moving air. True. Siberia covers a very large part of Canada. False. The tundras stretch across the north of the Asian continent. True. The old name of Zimbabwe was Zimbabwe. False. Sri Lanka was formerly known as the Ceylon. True. The third desert is the cold desert. False. A thermometer measures the pressure of liquid. True. Lemons contain more sugar than strawberries. True. Switzerland is called the playground of Europe. True. Luna Lake in Maharashtra was created by a meteor hitting the earth. True. Mumbai is also known as a Hollywood of India. True. Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. True. Pentagon is the headquarters of British Defence Force. False. Wall Street is famous for the American stock exchange market. True. The earth rotates in the opposite direction as its orbit the sun. False. A quire is a set of 24 or 25 sheets of paper. True. Saccharine, an artificial sweetener, is derived from coal. True. Male wasps do not stick. True. Istanbul in Turkey is the city of world located on two continents. True. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. True. In the Fahrenheit system, freezing point of water is at 20 degree. False. 1 pound is equal to 12 pennies. False. Tongue is only muscles attached at only one in. True. So students, here is the true false is there. So it's very important chapter. So our next chapter is chapter number 50, space quiz. So in this chapter, questions are related from the space. First number, the planet known as the Earth twin is Venus. The closest star of the Earth is Sun. The gas which is the main constituent of atmosphere on Mars is carbon dioxide. The first spacecraft of orbit Jupiter is Galileo. The Sea of Tranquility is found in Moon. The second full moon within one moon, blue moon. The science and technology of space flight is the astronautics. And eighth number, the first human to orbit the earth in a spaceship is Yuri Gagarin. Ninth number, the galaxy in which the earth is a planet is Milky Way. Tenth number, the space constellation shaped like a hunter is Orion. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, is located at Mars. The outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere is exosphere. The most powerful magnetic object in the space is neutron star. The first artificial satellite is Sputnik. First, Dentist planet in our solar system is Earth. The planets that have no moons are Mercury and Venus. So dear students, all chapters all of you have completed and well prepared. So you also revise your chapters also. So our next chapter is chapter number 51, IQ question, intelligence quotients. So here is the take the correct answer is there. Pawan is twice as old as Ruby. 3 years ago he was 3 times as old as Ruby. How old in Pawan now? तो इसमें आंसर होगा आपका 12 years. Leader is to follower as blank is to soldier, तो captain. Third number, if chair is coded as FKTLO, then raid is coded as UDLG. Jaya ranks 12th in a class of 46 students. What will be her rank from the last? 35. Fifth number, if day after tomorrow is Sunday, the what was day before yesterday? Wednesday. In a row of tree, one tree is fifth from either end of the row. How many trees are there in row? 9. Examine three figures and find the one which is the exact mirror image of the figures given to the left of the vertical side. जिसमें आपका second number होगा. 8th number, A and B are the two brothers. C is the sister of B and D is the sister of E. So E is son of A. So who is D's uncle? The answer is B. A book is called watch, watch is called bag, bag is called dictionary, and dictionary is called window. So which of the following is used to carry books? Dictionary. So now next question. The average salary of 20 worker is an office is 1900 per month. If the manager salary is added to the average salary, it becomes 2000 per month. So what is the manager's annual salary? 48,000. 11th number, find the letter to be placed in place of question mark in the figure given is the M. 12th number, here are some words translated from the artificial language. तो इसमें आपको होगा पाई जी. विच वर्ड कुड पॉसिबली मीन्स लाइट फ्लाई? तो इसमें आपका होगा पाई जी. नेक्स्ट इन chapter number 53, model test paper second. That chapter is also come in your exam. Name the asan that helps in the sciatica pain nerves issues and indigestion. तो होगा पद्मासन. The galaxy is which the earth is the planet Milky Way. Third number, the fruit that bear it the seed outside. Strawberry. The tallest fountain in the world is the King Fahd Fountain. 8th number, fill in the blanks. The bloodless revolution in 1688 that overthrew the absolute monarchy and established a constitutional monarchy in England is the Glorious Revolution. Human rights are protected by international and domestic law. Third number, the modern Olympic were founded by Pierre de Coubertin. Green is the sign used for the vegetarian product. Unscramble the word and write the correct answers. The world's tallest flying bird that resides the breed in India saws crane. The examination of tissue cells or fluid from our body in order to discover the presence and causes of disease. Biopsy. The largest religion in the world is the Christianity. The animal native to the Arctic Circle that could become extinct if global warming continues. Polar bear. The African American man who become the first black president of USA, Barack Obama. D number, take the correct answer. The RTI application is addressed to Public Information Office. World Heritage Day is observed on April 18. A dance form in which a performer wears shoes fitted with metal and heels and tops is tap dance. The Olympic motto Citus Altis Fortis stand for faster, higher, stronger. 5th number, a lung disease that inflames and narrows the airway and make breathing difficult is asthma. And E number, which pattern will replace the question mark? इसमें आपका 4th number होगा. So dear student, the syllabus is completed and revision is also. All of you have please revise your chapter, fill your book. Only annual portion is coming in your exam. So dear students, prepare well. So thank you and have a nice day.